like a Hellcat.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel Raj Indian Gamer, and I am Rasib Sekia back in with another video. So guys, today we will play Minecraft, and in Minecraft we will play our survival world, means not survival world, sorry, we will play our creative world. I think so you have seen my last video of I have started a new series in Minecraft. You just see in my YouTube channel, you'll get there starting a new series in Minecraft. So I've developed my house. I am showing you my developed house. So let's just straight go on. So it's my up view, and I think so in my last video I have complete, means I have just give some things like I have your I have make to this type of bus type buildings, and it's my side view. So I am doing the voiceover uh, after recording this video. So guys, then you can see this side view. I have made some glass and just keep there. So this is my two arms, and it's inside my small house that I have made in my last creative video, or you can say starting a new series is Minecraft that video. So guys, I am getting some problem to go up. So let's go out. Yes, you can see just my house is so beautiful. um Guys, you in the comment section just tell me, uh do you like the home or not. And this is the point where i I've give the ladder and just that thing. So let's go just straight move on to our home. So let's go inside by the pressure plates, or you can say automatic doors. So let's go inside our home. Just up means inside, we are inside, but we have to go in our room. So in room I have, you can see only so much of emerald, your golden apple, your diamond, your gold, everything I have that we need in a Minecraft or in a Minecraft survival. And here I have very much food. You can see emeralds, cakes, foods, everything I have that we need in a survival world. So then we have our bedroom. In bedroom, this is a mad villager I'm showing you. This is a mad villager. So here are my some weapons and some food. So this is our beds. Here is our wood shield and some weapons. Again some blocks. Now nice. And here is our crafting table and furnace. So I've just decorated the room nicely. Not so nicely, but with anvil, with loom, with lanterns, and everything we need for your just goodly. I have done the your room decor. I have done just a simple decor, but it's looking nice. So let's go down, and here is, I've gone up nice. So here's our crafting table, furnaces, smoker, everything we need for cooking, for making something, for crafting something. So let's go down now, and we are going outside now. Nice. So going outside, and next I will show you my enchanting room. So in enchanting room, only we should give, I think so, every no we should give three books, so that we get better deals with the enchanting table. So let's go out, and I have keep here also some lanterns for decoration. You can see lanterns. I like lanterns for lightning also, and your decoration also. So here are also some lanterns that give light also, and give a good your simple decoration to our house or any room. So this is the upper view. I have in last video I have just not completed. So then in offline period, means when I was playing Minecraft, then I have done. So now I will show you my wheat farm. So this is my wheat farm. I think so the textures of wheat in Minecraft, because many viewers play Minecraft. So let's go in. So this is my wheat farm. So I take wheat from here and make bread, make everything that I need for eating. So this is my sweet berry farm. So I just not give the doors. I am very mad and I have not given any doors here. Okay, so I have done a very bad mistake. And in my one survival series, I think so. One survival series, you are in a spruce jungle. I have spruce. Sorry, in a spruce jungle, I have make a I have just eat a berry, sweet berry. So let's go to our next farm of our potato farm, because I think so you everyone know that potato is also healthy for us, for essential for us. We need it for eating also, for everything. So next is our carrot farm. So our carrot farm, nice. So carrot is good for our eyesight, I think so all know, and it's essential for us again for making pulao, fried rice, and many other sabjis. Okay, I will not mention their names, I don't know also, but then also I am saying that we can make sabjis with them, and it's good for our eyes, our health, because vegetables are good for our health. So here is my one small open warehouse. Okay, a small open warehouse. So next comes our sugar cane farm, because guys, everyone know from sugar cane only we can make sugar, and from sugar we can make tea, coffee, and many other things, many sweets, every sweet. So for that reason I have put here. So next is our wait guys, here are more. So guys, okay guys, so here is our animal farm. Guys, you know only cow gives us milk, and there is some cows, and here what I will do I also don't know. So guys, comment down what I have to keep here. So next comes our a small pet house. So here are some fox. It's a small pet house, so we can breed this. We cannot tame them, but we can breed them with sweet berries. So let's go, let's see our rail track to our village. I have not done it to last video. So guys, it's a small track to our village. So let's go, just enjoy the video, no need to do anything, just give a subscribe, a like, and a comment. So I have one cat guys, I will show you the cat. Okay, it's a bug I have done only because I am a mad. I have done like this. You can see this type of thing I have made structure for designing, but I don't know. We stuck like this. So I will just break it now. So let's break it. So I am fast in breaker, guys. I think so you don't know. I am fast in breaker. And guys, I am saying you to watch a channel. I am recommending you, I am suggesting you to watch a channel. If you are if you play Minecraft, if you like Minecraft, if you like Minecraft like me, so in every video, so I am suggesting you a channel. His name is Chapati Hindustani Gamer. So with a rail track here platform, and if you know guys, for going to a rail we need to take tickets. So here is the counter. So let's go to our village. So this is our small village, pretty village, a beautiful village that I have got in my this creative world. So I want to tell you a more fact here. So the fact is the fact is that if you get a pillager outpost, then find near them the pillager outpost, then you can get village. Where do you get pillager outpost? Search near there and you will get pillager outpost. So now I will go to my home bed. What? Wait, what happened? Wait, why you all are cards going like this? Wait, where is my lever? I have to okay, I have to off them. Okay, now let's go to our okay. So why I'm going back? Okay, let's go front now. let's go back and just on it and let's go. So guys, we are going. Oh my god, card. Whoa, 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 wait. Why this card has come? Let's break this card with my legendary sword. Okay, let's go. Let's go back and remove that card also. Okay, where is the card? No, the card has not come. Oh my god. Let's go our village back. Sorry, our home back. Wait, what? Wait. Oh, I have done mistake, guys. Don't worry, I will fix it in offline surrounding when I will offline, not recording. So it is my small means thing. So now I will sleep here. So next day I will show you my this home, my small home. So let's show my next home, means my first home in this creative series. So this is my chest. In chest I have a lot of variety, a lot of food I have. And here is one bow, one crossbow. So here is my furnace and my crafting table. And let's go up. Wait. Okay, let's go up. So here is one anvil, two anvil, sorry. Okay, I have bow, I think so. Oh yes, I have bow. Let's take one bow. Okay, only infinity and many only I have, so I will just take a simple bow. Okay. Oh, by mistakenly I have take a wait. I have not take only what I am doing. So wait. Okay, let's take a bow. Okay, I have take a bow and let's go now. So let's go now. Wait. See my armor. You can see only my armor. Guys, I have one armor also, a legendary armor, a legendary diamond armor actually. So let's keep this armor because anyone mm, don't want to lost this armor. No, I think so, you also not, and everyone will not do that thing. So he will keep his armor safely. This is not safely, but it's safely. Do you mean something? Okay, the cat I want to show you is this. What, guys, comment down what I want to means what I keep the name of the cat. Just comment me, I will understand. So here, this is my banner. So in loom there is one loom, no, I have crafted in the banner, means I have crafted the banner. It's a white banner, but I have keep blue dye and I have just do a good creativity. So now I will show you my way to go to my village by walking, because guys, you know, only walking is essential for us, for our health. So this is the pillager outpost which I have get last video, so I have burned it. I have burned it. So let's see our uh, sorry guys, wait. Okay, let's see our pathway in night. Guys, it looks so pretty in night, so beautiful in night. Guys, you only see. You only see what beautiful it is. Guys, see, I am also surprised how I have made this so beautiful, pretty home. So let's go. Just go. So let's go, good boy, like a good boy, and let's take our armor because we need to be a good boy. So let's take bow because we will need bow. Taking bow is not a bad boy. It is for our self defense. Okay, if someone will attack me, what will happen? I will die, and then who will take the risk? So for that, I will take the bow for our self defense, just for our self defense, for nothing. Okay, who have kept here a block? I will kill him. So beautiful path. So oh wait, why cat? Why my beautiful cat? Why have come here? Sit here. Okay, guys, see, this is my village, means village, and this is my platform, short platform for creativity, for just design. And let's go to our home to sleep. You can see a small lag. uh, Ignore the lag, because if you see this lags, then what will happen? So this is my armors. because for self defense, for everything attacking. So let's sleep. So tomorrow what I will do, I also don't know. So we have wake up. Good morning, guys. We have wake up. So this is my badass sword. Okay, if you don't know, this is my badass sword, and I will kill this zombie. This zombie has come here. Why zombie? Why you have come here? And this is my small chest. Just why I have keep, I also don't know. So there is a skeleton. No, he have die only. Nice, nice. Okay, okay. I am just roaming around again to my carrot farm because I am bored in this period of lockdown. It's true, everyone. So guys, I hope it will be enough for this video. I think so. Bored at home. That's why recording a video. Just roaming around. Nothing to do else. So I hope it will be enough for this video. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe me, and I hope enough for this video. How much I will say. So thank you for watching this video. Like it, subscribe it. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.